Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see configure Microsoft Defender for Office 365 in evaluation mode. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I am logged on to the portal. So when you are at security.microsoft.com, scroll down and on the left under email and collaboration, click on policies and rules. Under policies and rules, click on thread policies and scroll to the bottom under others section, click on evaluation mode. It will take few seconds to load. Try out the advanced capabilities of Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Explore Defender for Office 365 advanced email and collaboration security features without impacting your production environment. You can detect advanced URL threats with safe links. You can detect advanced file threats with safe attachments. You can identify potentially impersonated users. If you want to read more about it, please go and check Microsoft documentation, which is mentioned here, and I'll click on Start Evaluation. Select the users that you want include in the Defender for Office 365 evaluation. I'll pick up my name. Okay. Let's try to figure out your mail route so we can optimize detection of spoofed messages, phishing, and malicious sender IP addresses. Select your email service provider or select others to specify relay IP addresses. If you're using third-party on-premise service provider, or select I'm using only Exchange Online, because this is my lab environment, so I'm only using Exchange Online. And you will click on Finish. And it will take you to this evaluation mode. And if you will read out the documentation, it says this is the overview, and here is the interactive guide that Microsoft has shared on the documentation, which you can get a walkthrough how exactly the Office 365 works. And this is the trials and evaluation work for Defender for Office 365. What are the policies? What is the audit mode versus blocking mode for Defender for Office 365? Things like that. And this is the interactive guide that you can play along. And if you will go back, this is the evaluation mode. I can download the reports here, like what all email links are there, what are email attachments that are spoofed, or what all impersonation attacks I have, attachment links, embedded malware, real-time URL protection, URL click protection, or the spoofed senders, things like that. And if you will see, if you want to buy a paid subscription, it will take you to the portal, so that when you're done evaluating, you will eventually think about buying a paid subscription, right? It will take you to the 365 admin center from where you can make purchases. Please don't go through these messages because it is my lab environment. Here you can see convert to standard protection. You're about to take into the preset security policy page, wizard to enable standard protection policies for these groups, users, and domains. If you decide to turn on, we will turn off this evaluation, and your mail flow will be impacted by these policies. All right. So this is the evaluation mode. But if you want to go to the standard mode that was initially on, you can do that. I'll do it later. Manage. This is the evaluation settings that you will see on the evaluation mode. This is the capabilities that are turned on when you are in the evaluation mode. This is my tenant name. This is my ID. You can set any tenant name you want to. Okay. You can download these findings in a report. You can see the data. Okay. So when you're done with it, just go back to the standard mode, and you will be out of the evaluation mode. Okay. And these are the standard protection policies that are here. built-in protection, standard protection, strict protection policies, the preset of the security policies. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.